mental health.
Kwa mbeleni team mar Strathmore Blaze no ngado tiende team man barany ma Kenyatta University Pirates tuke mag okapu league maduong pacho kamano bagelap manyayo chieng ngeso. Jako Weru gi Oscar Otieno no bedo jotugo masulwe ne team barany ma Strathmore kendo koni giduto giyudo loch mar points 70 kuom 49. Strathmore no kawo kwota mokwongo points 27 kuom 8 kapok giyudo loch e kwota mar 2 points 21 kuom 4. E kwota mar 3 Strathmore no dhi nyime gi loch mar points 12 kuom 9 kapok Kenyatta yudo loch e kwota mogik points 16 kuom 13.
No, we just didn't box out well, but we need to work on the box out and we need to talk about it. But if there's any game that we needed to win was this one. We knew we were going to win. It is just a blow to me. But we hope we still meet next time. We'll win the game. My boys are good today and they can play the game.
We really need to work on our field goal percentage. We need to be more scoring team. The last 3 games we've scored at least 70 points and above. So I believe we can do more coming into our next.
Helen Obiro bedo jaloch